walk ahead with quiet grace, each step a bloom in untouched space. I watch the light upon your face and feel the calm I can't replace. You hum a song without a name, it melts the weight I cannot name. No need for words, no need for fame. You are the warmth inside the flame. If skies forget to stay so blue, I'll still believe the best for you. May your days unfold like rivers wide, gentle streams where joy can hide. I'll send a wish on every tide for you to smile with open eyes. The world may twist and fall apart, but you will always hold my heart. You taught me how to see the art in simple things that quietly start. If winds grow loud and pull you near, I'll guard the dreams you hold most dear. May your nights be filled with golden light, not from stars but hearts held tight. I'll fold my hopes into the height of every dawn that feels just right. I won't trace your path or guide, just be the breeze that's by your side. A silent vow I'll never hide, to wish you well with love and pride. May your laughter ring where soft winds go, like petals dancing in their flow. My silent promise, though you won't know, is stitched in skies that gently glow. May your soul be safe in every hue, painted strong and painted true. My quiet song belongs to you, forever near, though out of view.
In the echoes of my footsteps, I wander far and wide, through the laughter and the tears, with no one by my side. Every heartbeat is a chapter, every breath a sigh, in the pages of this story as the seasons fly. Whispers in the wind, they guide me on, through the shadows of the past and the break of dawn. I'm on this journey, never knowing where I'll be, through the highs and lows in this endless sea. With each step forward, I find a piece of me, in this journey called life, where I'm finally free. I've seen faces come and go, like waves upon the shore. In the fleeting seconds, I've learned to cherish more. Every smile and every frown, a memory engraved in the tapestry of time, the moments we've saved. Whispers in the wind, they guide me on, through the shadows of the past and the break of dawn. I'm on this journey, never knowing where I'll be, through the stare through the twilight, finding who I am. In the bittersweet reflections, I see where it began. Though the path is winding and the end is out of sight, I'll keep moving onward through the day and night. I'm on this journey, discovering my own way, through the highs and lows in the light of day. With each step forward, I find my voice to say, in this journey called life, I'll make my own way. In the echoes of my footsteps, I'll wander far and wide. Through the laughter and the tears, I found my guide. Every heartbeat is a chapter, every breath a sign. In the pages of this story, as the seasons fly. In the echoes of my footsteps, I wander far and wide. Through the laughter and the tears, I found my guide. Every heartbeat is a chapter, every breath a sigh. In the pages of this story, as the seasons fly. Waking up to blue skies, feeling so alive. With the breeze in my hair, everything's just right. Friends all around, laughter in the air. Running through the city like we haven't got a care. Life is a dance when we're on the floor. Open up your heart, let's go explore. Every single moment brighter than before. Feel the beat inside, begging for more. Oh, we're living in the summer sun. Oh, chasing every dream, we're on the run. Colors all around, shining so bright. This is our time, we'll own the night. Jumping into the waves, feeling so free. The world is a playground, just you and me. Music's playing loud, let it take control. Underneath the sky, let it in, our hearts so flow. Is a dance and we're on the floor. Open up your heart, let's go explore. Every single moment brighter than before. Feel the beat inside, begging for more.